used to talk during election campaign.
Chief Minister designate Conrad Sangma today stated that he wanted his all alliance partners to be in the MDA government 2.0 as well, even though he had managed majority without the support. Sangma said that in MDA 1, all the partners have been through thick and thin and they stood together in difficult times, and hence he approached the UDP and PDF to join hands with NPP to form the alliance once again. It may be mentioned that NPP had secured majority with the support of BJP 2, HSPDP 2 and independent candidates 2. However, Conrad Sangma invited UDP and PDF to join the alliance, and now they have the support of 45 MLAs.
We fight, we sometimes give aggressive speeches and use different languages, which of course should have been controlled, but nonetheless, certain things were said. But at the end of the day, we are all here to serve the people of the state. And at the end of the day, we need to rise above all differences. We need to realize that people are looking at us and are expecting, have given a mandate. And hence, taking my team into confidence, I personally have then met the different leaders of PDF and the leaders um, of the UDP,